Alright guys, now let's have a look at this example. It's quadratic pattern, and then we have got a pattern here 10, 15, 21 and then 26. So now the question says here find Tn. I'm showing this you guys this question. There's other questions that they ask on these ones, but we will see those questions when we do past papers, I mean, and then I am going to do past paper for Gauteng paper for grade 11 final exam, so that you guys can have a look at it before you go and write. Other papers are available on this channel, like 2022, 2021 and also 2020 as well, if you want to revise with past papers. So now let me have a look at this one here. If you haven't watched the video that I posted before, this one is the video that has to do with the lesson and the basics that you need to know so that you don't struggle with this chapter. All right, so let's go here and say 15 minus 10 is going to give us 4, and therefore 21 minus that is going to 21 minus 15 is going to give us let's just see, 21 minus 15 is giving us 6, and therefore 26 minus 21, rather 26 minus 21 gives us 5. All right, looks like I made a mistake here, guys. I think this number here is supposed to be 28, rather. Yes, this is supposed to be 28. Supposed to be 28 minus 21, which will give us 7. Right, I had made a mistake here initially. All right, but at least we sorted that one out. 6 minus that, 6 minus 4 gives us 2, and therefore this number that should supposed to be here supposed to give us 2, so it's going to be 8 here. So this one will be 29. Right, apologies about that, guys. All right, there you go. At least we managed to sort that one out. And I had said to you guys on the lesson video that when you're doing this, you know the general formula for Tn of a quadratic pattern is Tn is equals to an squared plus 2n plus c, and then therefore we said 2a is equals to that, and then we also said 3a plus b should be equals to that one, and then we said a plus b plus c should be equals to this number here. So now let's go ahead and try to solve for a. So therefore 2a is equals to 2, therefore you divide by 2 here, divide by 2 there, therefore a is equal to 1. Right, therefore continue with, then we have got 3a plus b is equals to 4 in this case. Therefore we know what is a is equals to 1. We would substitute it there. B is equals to 4. Then we take 3 to that side, because 3 times 1 is equals to 3. Therefore is going to be 4 minus 3. Therefore b is also equal to 1. All right, therefore now we do the last one, which is this one here. There's all those 3 things that I said you guys should be able to remember, plus b plus c is equals to 10. Therefore what you're gonna do now, you're gonna substitute a, it's 1 plus b, which is also equals to 1, then plus c, then we are looking for c, therefore 1 plus 1 is going to give us 2, then we take 2 to the other side, therefore it's going to be equals to 10 minus 2, therefore c is equal to 8. Therefore now we come and substitute it here on this question, where Tn is going to be equals to 1a squared plus 1n, and therefore plus 8. Therefore Tn is equals to n squared plus n plus 8. All right, therefore once you have that, they can ask you anything that they would like to ask you. They can ask you to find term number 50 or any other term. Let's say they ask you to find term 50. What you would do, this is what you would do here. You would come to that equation and say term number 50 is equals to, is going to be 50 squared plus 50 plus 8. Therefore, please let me know on the comment section which answer you get here, as I'm doing this without the calculator. Right. Okay, let's do this quickly. Question number 2, it says here 3, 10, 19, 29. So we are looking for the nth term, which is the general formula of this quadratic sequence. So we would say 10 minus 3 will give us 7, and then 19 minus 10 will give us 9, and then therefore 29 minus 19 will give us 29 minus 19 will give us, let me see, okay, the here is supposed to be 30, guys. Oh, my sequences are not looking good, but it's fine because I had to do these examples by myself. Okay, we see that is going to be 11. Therefore we come here, 9 minus 7 is going to give us 2, and then therefore 11 minus 9 is going to give us 2. And then what you need to bear in mind, you guys remember what I said, you need to know this a is equals to this one here, and therefore 3a plus b is equals to this number here, and then therefore a plus b plus c is equals to that number there. Therefore you are gonna come here and say, okay, therefore tn an squared plus b n plus c. So now let's go ahead and find a. So in order to find a, 2a is equals to 2, divide this by 2, divide this by 2, a is equals to 1, and therefore we move on. 3a plus b is equals to 7. I'm using this one right here, already utilized that one. So now we're gonna say 1 plus b, we already substituted there, 7. Therefore you take 3 to the other side, b is going to be equals to 3 minus 7 minus 3 rather, where b is going to give us 4. And then we continue with the, you're gonna use the last one here, which is a plus b plus c, it's equals to 3. Then we substitute the value of a, which is 1, the value of b, which is 4, plus c, which is what we are looking for in this case, and then 4 plus 1 will give us 5, plus c is equals to 3. Therefore c is going to be equals to 3, and then we take 5 the other side, 5. Therefore c is equals to negative 2. Therefore our general equation will therefore be equals to tn, it's equals to 1. Therefore you're gonna put 1 there, and squared, b is equals to 4n, plus c, which is going to be minus. Therefore our general equation is going to be given by that. Let's say for some reason they ask for you to find out which term is equal to, let's say they ask you to find out which term is equal to 208. So therefore you would put 208 here, and then you factorize, then solve for n. I am Gaston Mapala. Let me see you on the next upload, where we'll be doing past papers that concern this number pattern, sequence, and quadratic, and therefore we will be also revising the past paper of 2023. Let me know what you guys think on the comment section below. I am Gaston Mapala. See you on the next one.